So here we are in the final video of Module 8, how to use them like a native speaker. In this one, I want to show you, like in previous modules 6 and 7, how to use them with prepositions and conjunctions. Ready? Let's go. We have our basic list of, and these are just examples. You will see lots of other prepositions and conjunctions, and you will see and learn for yourself how to make that them sound to M. So let's start. We all know about to do something for them. Many times it'll sound like for them, right? Strong for and weak for them. To do something for them. Can you do a favor for them? 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 All right? Those little sounds when we speak quickly. Can you do a favor for them? So to agree with them, agree with them. To go or come with them, go with them. And to work with them. We could not agree with them about how to run the business. So we couldn't agree with them about how to run the business, and we couldn't agree with them. We couldn't agree with them. We couldn't agree with them about how to run the business. We couldn't agree with them about how to run the business. If I went with them, I would be too tired to work tomorrow. If I went with them, I would be too tired to work tomorrow. And if I went with them, I'd be too tired to work tomorrow. If I went with them, I'd be too tired to work tomorrow. I really love working with them. I really love working with them, and I really love working with them. Working with them, working with them. So, to complain about them, talk about them, is that push of about them. Talk about them, right? So, about them. Talk about them. I know you have problems with them, but complaining about them is not helping. I know you have problems with them, but complaining about them is not helping. I know you have problems with them. I know you have problems with them. I know you have problems with them, but complaining about them is not helping. Well, let's not talk about them in front of them. Well, let's not talk about them in front of them. And let's not talk about them in front of them. Well, let's not talk about them in front of them. Okay? And to look at them, look at them. Looking at them. At them. She just cannot stop looking at them. She just can't stop looking at them. So lots of letters disappear, but the T in can't is always very strong and always there. She just can't stop looking at him. And she just, so the T in just can't stop looking at him. She just can't stop looking at him. All right, so this brings us to the end of Module 8. Join me in the next module when I will start to talk about gotta go, and all the mysteries and secrets about gotta. See you there.